Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening AutoCAD options immediately. Type options and press enter, or right-click the model tab and choose options. Once done, go to the Profiles tab to pick or save a profile so your changes are reversible. Then switch to the Display tab where the colors settings live. This is where you control model space appearance. Make sure you saved a profile first, because changing system, colors, affects all drawings unless stored to a specific profile you can restore later. You now change the actual background color through the Drawing Window Colors dialog. Once open, set context to 2D model space and then choose Interface Element Uniform Background so you affect only model space, not paper space. Pick a color using the palette or define a custom RGB value. This helps visibility and contrast for your layer colors. After selecting, click Apply to preview changes in real time. Make small adjustments until text, lines, and hatches remain legible before closing the dialog to keep consistent visual clarity. You finish by saving your settings to the active profile so the background sticks across sessions. Choose Export Profile to create a backup if you want portability. If the new color seems not to apply, make sure you didn't change paper space or viewport overrides instead, and verify your current visual style doesn't impose its own colors. Finally, if things still go wrong, restart AutoCAD and clear the display cache. That resolves most persistent display artifacts and ensures your chosen background appears consistently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.